shepherd boy who took care of a flock of sheep. One day, feeling bored, decided to take the villagers. He shouted, "Wolf, wolf, a wolf is attacking the sheep." And the villagers rushed to help. But when they arrived, there was no wolf. The boy laughed and the villagers left. A few days later, the boy did the same thing. He shouted, "Wolf, wolf." The villager ran to help again. But once more, there was no wolf. The villagers were not happy. But still
When?
went on their work. But this time,
But one day,
a real wolf came. He attacked the sheep. We call it the wolf fought there, but this time no one came to help. Because they thought they was lying again. The wolf ate some of the sheep. The boy learned how
that lying,
that lying can have serious consequences.
consi,
Consequences. Bowl.